So this problem, I'm going to show two different ways of solving it. The first one is by taking square roots. And when I do that, I'm going to square root both sides. And I need to have a plus or minus. I get 2x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 17. Now I'm going to isolate x. And I get 2x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 17. Divide by 2. And there's my answer. Now, the second way that I can do this, okay, would be by eventually using the quadratic formula. But I can't just set this 2x plus 1 equal to 17 because this side's not 0. So what I would have to do is rewrite 2x plus 1 multiplied by 2x plus 1. I'd have to FOIL that out. 4x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 1 equals 17. Now I can move the 17 onto the other side. Well, I'm going to combine some like terms first, and then move the 17 onto the same side. And set it equal to 0. Now that it's equal to 0, I could factor it if it's factorable. It's not, because the last problem didn't come out with nice numbers, so it's not factorable. Or I could use the quadratic formula. Since I've got 4, 4, and negative 16, I could divide the whole thing, both sides, by 4 and get x squared plus x minus 4 equals 0. That we can tell is definitely not factorable because nothing that multiplies to 4 is going to add to 1. So I'm going to have to do the quadratic formula. And the quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac